What if you could press a button to activate an online bot that lets you grab a giant slice of traffic from 353 million visitors without writing a single word? Think of it as a Roomba. You know, those robotic vacuum cleaners. But instead, this online bot gets you traffic, and not just any ordinary type of traffic. We're talking about targeted traffic that turns into commissions. In case you weren't aware, ordinary traffic isn't going to work for you anymore. You need traffic with cash in hands that has a desire to buy the product you're selling. If it's just run-of-the-mill traffic, it's useless. It's just as silly as pouring water into your car's gas tank expecting it to run. However, we know how hard it is to generate traffic that actually turns into sales, and that's why we worked hard for nearly a year to build Tweety. Tweety lets you get traffic from the 353 million user traffic Goliath Twitter without all the typical drawbacks. No making videos, no showing your face, no writing content, no website, no SEO or ranking, no paid ads. Heck, you don't even need to write a single word. That's because Tweety lets you activate Twitter traffic bots at the click of a button to get targeted visitors for any niche of your choice. Here's how easy it is to get started. Step 1. Enter a keyword to choose a niche. This could be weight loss, make money online. Twitter is huge, so all niches are covered. Step 2. Input the link you want traffic sent to. Step 3. Click your mouse to activate one of Tweety's proprietary Twitter traffic bots. These bots are completely automated and let you enjoy the thrill of getting traffic while you're sleeping. And most importantly, this traffic loves to buy. Here, just look at my past earnings in this affiliate account in the past 30 days. That's a total of $41,335.35 earned directly from traffic on Twitter. The crazy part is, I have a whole bunch of other accounts with earnings. And remember, I did this all without showing my face or even writing a single word. All you have to do is choose your niche, enter a link, and activate a Tweety traffic bot. It's really as simple as that. It does all the writing and hard work for you so you don't have to. Now, we worked like sled dogs for nearly a year and poured over nearly 6 figures to produce Tweety. It leverages state-of-the-art artificial intelligence to get you free automated buyer traffic. And with what you could potentially make with that traffic, how much would Tweety be worth? $197 monthly? That may seem like a lot, although the traffic is worth far more than that, but we get it. You've been working hard this year and know you want your hands on something affordable. So that's why you'll be able to access Tweety for not $197 a month, not $97 a month, not $47 a month. Nope, you won't even pay monthly at all, just the price of a lunch out. Isn't that a small price to pay to get all the free traffic you'll ever need? But please be aware, we will be closing down this discount shortly. We will be pulling this down to avoid the risk of saturation, so be quick. And to eliminate all risk from your end, you have a full 30 days to get your money back. The only way you lose is by not getting your hands on a copy of Tweety. So what are you waiting for? Click the button below right now and get started with Tweety for the lowest possible price.